Good afternoon, students. So today we'll see some more problems on moving charges and magnetism. So let us see the problem 6th. In an atom, an electron circulates in a path of radius 5.1 into 10 raised to minus 11 meter at a frequency of 6.8 into 10 raised to 15 RPS. RPS is revolutions per second. What is the magnetic field at the center of the orbit? What is the magnetic field at the center of the orbit? Change the charge of the electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. So this is the problem. So there is an atom. An electron revolves around the nucleus, and the radius which it circulates in the circular path is 5.1 into 10 raised to minus 11 meter. So now current is given by E by T. Okay, so from the electrostatics we have seen that what is current, charge per unit time. So Q by T it is. So here we will take the charge of the magnitude of the charge of the electron. So E by T. So 1 upon T is nothing but the frequency. So nu into E. So 1 by T equal to nu E, where T is the time period of the revolution and nu is the frequency. And here we are taking as 1 because 1 revolution it circulates, they have not given, so consider n as 1. So therefore magnetic field at the center of the orbit is B equal to mu naught by 4 pi 2 pi Ni by R. This is the formula for the circular loop, magnetic field due to the circular loop. So this is the formula. If you go through the theory you can get the formulas. Okay, so equation is B equal to mu naught by 4 pi 2 pi Ni upon R. So n we are taking here 1, and according to this equation I equal to nu into E. So mu naught by 4 pi 2 pi nu E by R. So we'll substitute all the values here, and mu naught by 4 pi value is 10 raised to minus 7. Okay, we have seen this in theory. And into 2 pi into 6.8 into 10 raised to 15 nu, that is nu, it is given, the frequency is given, and here charge of the electron 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 divided by R is 5.1 into 10 raised to minus 11. So when we calculate all this, what we get is B equal to 13.4 Tesla. B equal to 13.4 Tesla. This is the answer. Just check and you can get the answer. Okay, so let us go to the next one. In the loop shown in the figure, what is the magnetic field at the point O? So here there is a diagram given. So there is a axis here at the center point O, and this is a circle, and it is 1/4 here from B to C, 1/4, and again it has shifted, the radius is little bit less. Okay, and from here to here another loop is there, and again it joins at the axis at O to OE. So here the radius from B to C is R1, which is bigger radius, and from D1 to E is smaller radius R2. Okay, so we have to see, due to these two loops at the point O, what is the magnetic field. Conductors of length A, B, C, D and EF do not produce any magnetic field at O. Magnetic field due to BC, so from B to C. So AB, this will not be producing the magnetic field because there is it shows only the direction, they're equal and opposite, so only this will be circulating, so it will produce from B to C, it will produce the magnetic field. So B1, let us take B1 here. So it is 1/4 of the circle, right? from here to here it is 1/4. So therefore 1/4 into mu naught by 4 pi 2 pi I by r1. So here this will both gets cancelled here. So it is 2 pi one times and this is 2 times. So 4 2 is 8. What you get, the answer is mu naught I by 8 r1. This answer you get. And similarly for b2, for that is for DE magnetic field due to DE, we have b2 equal to 1/4 again mu naught by 4 pi 2 pi I by r2. That is again you get mu naught I by 8 r2. Then therefore net magnetic field at O will be due to b1 and b2. So b equal to b1 plus b2 mu naught I by 8 r1 plus mu naught I by 8 r2. So mu naught I by 8 is common here, into bracket 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2. So if the values of current is given, r1 and r2 is given, so easily you can calculate the value of b here. So this is like a, we should derive the formula for two concentric circles which are 1/4. Okay, now let us go to the next one. Two concentric circular coils each having 10 turns with radii 0.2 meter and 0.4 meter carry currents 0.2 ampere and 0.3 ampere respectively in opposite direction. What is the magnetic field at the center? So here, since currents are in opposite direction, so we will subtract those two fields. So they B equal to B1 minus B2. So let us see the individual here. B equal to mu naught by 4 pi 2 pi n I1 by r1 minus mu naught by 4 pi 2 pi n I2 by r2. Substitute here all these. So what answer you get is finally 1.5. So the final answer is 1.571 into 10 raised to minus 6 Tesla. B equal to 1.571 into 10 raised to minus 6 Tesla. You get the answer. So let us go to the 9th problem. A closely wound solenoid 80 centimeter long has 5 layers of windings of 400 turns each. The diameter of the solenoid is 1.8 centimeter. If the current carried is 8 ampere, estimate the magnitude of the field B vector inside the solenoid near its center. L equal to 80 centimeter, convert that into meter, 0.8 meter, and N equal to 5 layers there, and the windings is 400. So 5 into 400 is 2000. And here I equal to 8 ampere. D is diameter is 1.8 centimeter. Okay. Now let us, when we'll calculate this, B equal to mu naught N I by L equal to 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 into 2000 into 8.0 by 0.8. So that is the length. So answer you get is 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 Tesla. This is the answer. Just check it out. B equal to 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 Tesla. So let us go to the last one. A toroid has a core non-ferrometric material. If the inner radius is 25 centimeter and outer radius is 26 centimeter, around which 3500 turns of wire are wound. If the current in the wire is 11 ampere, what is the magnetic field? A, outside the toroid. B, inside the core of the toroid in the empty space surrounded by the toroid. So let us see the solution here. So R1 is given, so it is given in centimeter, convert in meter, 0.25 meter, and R2 is 0.26 meter, n equal to 3500 turns. So I given is 11 ampere. Yeah, so first case, so that is outside the toroid the magnetic field is 0, inside the toroid the magnetic field is B naught mu naught Ni. So this is the inside one. Then the third one, n equal to n upon L, so mean length equal to L equal to 2 pi into R1 plus R2 by R2 by 2. 2 gets cancelled here, pi into R1 plus R2 pi into, substitute this all this, so you get the length as pi into 0.5 meter. Now B is equal to mu naught n I by L. So again you substitute all the values for mu naught, and then n is 11, n is 3500, I current is 11 upon, and L is what, pi into 0.5. So pi and pi gets cancelled here, so final answer is 3.02 into 10 raised to minus 2 Tesla. This is the answer. Just check all the answers. Thank you.